What if I told you that finding key insights in Excel is as simple as clicking a button? Whether you are tracking sales, analyzing employee data, or managing any dataset, mastering sorting and filtering can turn a messy sheet into a gold mine of insights. Let's make your data talk. Welcome back to the step 3 of our Excel data analysis beginner series. Today we are diving into sorting and filtering, two simple but powerful tools to uncover hidden trends and insight in seconds. At the end, I'll give you a bonus tip as well. What we will explore today: how to sort your data alphabetically, numerically, and by date. Multi-level sorting, for example, sort by region and then sort by sales. Filtering data to show only what matters. Use advanced filters for deeper analysis. And definitely at the end, I will give you a bonus tip. Let's begin by reviewing our sample data, a list of customer sales including names, regions, sales amount, and date. First, we will explore how to do some basic data sorting on our dataset. You have a dataset of customer name, sales amount, date, and region. Click anywhere on your table, go to the data tab, and you can see that there is an option called sort. Click on that option. After that, you will see a form control button. Here, the first value is sort by. This value will ask you want to sort your data and you have to give the column name. For example, if you want to sort your data by customer name, we will give it a customer name. Or we want to sort our data by sales amount, we will give the sales amount. Right now, we want to sort our data by customer names. In this, we have to give values or cell color, font color, or cell icon. Here, we will sort our data based on values. We will select the values. The order. Let's suppose if you want to sort all your customer starting from A to Z, you will select this option. And if you want to sort your customer from in a reverse order from Z to A, we will select the second option. Even if you have something in your mind, you want a custom sort list, then there is an option. It is an advanced option. We will talk about this later. So here we will select A to Z as we want to sort our customer names from A to Z. Click OK. And now you can see that our data table is sort on customer name column based on alphabetically order. Let's suppose you can see that all customers starting from A, then whatever the alphabet comes the next, and so on. Now let's see how we can sort our data based on the amount. Similarly, click anywhere on your data table, go to data tab, click on sort. Here we will give sales amount. Again, we will sort data on values as values of the sale amount. The order is giving you two options. If you want to sort smallest to largest, let's suppose you want to see that which customer in your data have smallest amount of sales, or if you want to see that which customer having the largest sales amount in your data. So here we will select the largest amount. We will check which customer produce the largest amount of sales. Press OK, and you can see that our customer, the first customer, he has produced sales amount 4,000 for us. So that is the sorting of our data. Now let's proceed to custom sort. Let's suppose you have two filters in your mind, two conditions in your mind. First, you want to see data sorted by region, and then you want to see the sales amount in each region. Let's see how we can do that. Similarly, click anywhere on this your table, go to data, click on the filter option. So first we will sort our data by region. So here we will select the region column, values, and region value A to Z. As we want another condition on the sales amount, so what we will do, we have to add another level. To add another level, we will go to add level. Here select the sales amount, values. It's up to you that if you want sales smallest to largest in each region or largest to smallest in each region. What Excel will do, Excel will give you two type of sorting. First, it will sort the regions, then within each region it will sort the sales amount largest to smallest. Let's see how it can done. Press OK, and now you can see that regions are sorted alphabetically, and within each region the sales amount is sorted as largest to smallest. Let me make you clear. I will apply some coloring for you so that you can easily understand the sorting. See here, in each region there is a separate sorting. Now let's proceed on our filtering option. Filtering data means that you want to filter, or you want to explore, or you want to view data only as per your given criteria. In this table you can see that you are watching the data for the entire regions and for the entire customers, and whatever their sales amount are mentioned here. Let's suppose we have thousands of records, and so that you don't want to see them at all, but you just want to see a specific data on specific criteria. So here comes the filtering option. What we will do, first we will apply the filter control. Click anywhere on your data table, go to data, and click on this filter option. You can see that you have some controls here. You can also bring this option like shift control plus L. If you press shift control plus L, it will make visible. As we have applied our control, so first we will filter data by region. As you can see that initially it is showing you all the regions, and you want filter data on a specific region. Select that specific region and click OK. Now you can see that our data is same. Without deleting any records, we have just filtered the data based on a specific region. And if you want to change the region, you can easily change the region and the data will be updated. So you don't need to delete extra rows from your data. Now let's see, we can filter our data based on amount. When you click on the number filters, it will give you further options of your choice. Now let's see that how we can filter our data based on sales amount. Click on this option, drop down button, and now you can see that here is a number filters. Open this sub menu, and here you can see that it is giving you further options that you want your data to filter based on equal. Like if you can give any amount and want to filter data does not equal, greater than or equal to, we have a lot of different options. Also you can give custom filter option to give criteria as per your own choice. So here we will give that we want to show value that is greater than or equal to, let's suppose, 1900. Okay, press now, and now you can see that our table contains only the values which are either 1900 or greater than that, 1900 or greater than. You will not see the values which is less than our provided criteria. And it's time for the bonus tip. Do you know we can filter and sort our data based on the cell color and the text color as well. So I will show you how we can sort the data based on the cell color. To show you the example, I'll make few cells as highlighted from the each region so that you must know the difference. Now come here, sort by color, right? Press it. See, you can see that now our data is sorted based on color regardless of the region and regardless of the sales amount. Similarly, if you want to sort your data or filter your data based on text color, you have also an option. First, I will change the color of some customer names so that we are able to make it filter. As we have got filter data by font color, and now you can see that we have got filter data by font color. Alright, that's all for today. Sorting and filtering aren't just about cleaning up your data. They help you see patterns, make better decisions, and save time. In the next episode, we will explore conditional formatting to make insight jump right off the page.